Happy days, happy people. Cody here from One Yoga. And today we're going to start with a nice little 15-minute meditation. This meditation is something you can use before you start a yoga class, before you start your day. And this is going to be part of the series where every meditation is going to lead up to the next. And these meditations are all going to be about becoming present and bringing more abundance into your life. So let's begin. Come into a comfortable seated position however you like, whether it be on your yoga mat or on a cushion. It can even be against a wall for now, and then you can move onto your yoga mat in a later part. Just make sure that you are comfortable. And once you feel comfortable, we're going to take 3 deep inhalations and exhalations all together. Starting now, taking a big breath in and a big breath out. 2 more times, and with each exhale, just relax more and more into the present moment. 2 more breaths. Big breath in. Big breath out. Last one. Big breath in. Big breath out. And just begin to close your eyes if they're not already closed. Take a few moments to just be in the darkness of your own mind. See your thoughts flutter by. Relax your shoulders. Notice any tension in the body. Breathe and smile. This short little 15-minute meditation is going to bring you into presence with your body. But for now, I just want you to be aware of your thoughts, the emptiness of space between your thoughts, and the feeling of watching. And as you watch, remember that that is what you are. You are the watcher. You are the awareness that is above all things. And you have the power and ability to take this awareness into all parts of your being. So let's take our awareness and start at the top of our head, starting on the crown of our head, and becoming fully aware of all sensations here on the crown of our head. Then start to bring your awareness down to your forehead, down into your eyebrows and eyes. Shift your awareness into your cheeks and your ears. Bring your awareness gently onto your lips, onto your chin, onto your throat. Become aware of the back of your neck, of your collarbone, and of your right shoulder. Let your awareness drift coolly down into your right arm, right elbow, right forearm, right hand and right fingertips. Breathe in and breathe out. Let your awareness shift into your left shoulder, your left arm, your left elbow, your left forearm, your left hand, and your left fingertips. Breathe in and breathe out. Let your awareness shift down into your spine, starting from the back of your spine, circling around your chest, floating down the mid of your spine into your solar plexus, cooling down any fire that you may have here. And then let it float gently, gently down your lower back, over your stomach, into your tailbone, and into your seating bones. Become aware of the ground beneath you and the pressure it is pressing up against. Feel into your glutes, feel into your hips. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Bring awareness into your right leg, into your right knee, into your right calf, into your right ankle, into your right foot, into your right toes. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Bring awareness into your left leg, into your left knee, into your left calf, into your left ankle, into your left foot and left toes. And take a big breath in and a big breath out. Now become aware of your entire body in space. Feel the presence of all of your limbs, of your fingertips, of your wrists, of your shoulders, of your hips, knees, ankles, and feet. All at the same time. Become aware of your torso, your chest and upper back, your abdomen and your lower back. All at the same time. Become aware of your hips, your glutes, your pelvis, all at the same time. And become aware of your head in space, your face, your hair, the back of your head and your ears, all at the same time. And picture yourself sitting as you are, as a physical being in the physical world. Breathe. See yourself breathing. See how each exhalation physically relaxes your entire body. Breathe. Feel yourself in your body becoming more and more relaxed. Notice any tension in the body. Notice any area of discomfort. And in your mind's eye, draw a red circle around that area. Let it be highlighted in red. And now bring your awareness, area by area, to these highlighted points of pain or tension. Choose one, and as you breathe in, see the area become blue, and as you exhale, allow the area to relax. One more time. Breathe in, let the area become blue, and as you exhale, let the area relax. Last one. Breathe in. See the area become blue, and as you exhale, just relax. And now do this for all the fields of tension in your body. Highlight them, make them blue, and then let them fade. Spend a few moments doing this now, still maintaining your full awareness of your physical being. And use your breath. 3 breaths for each area of the body that feels tension. And if you feel no tension, then just bring your awareness to your breath and imagine your entire physical being becoming more and more relaxed. Do this now. To help aid you in your relaxation, allow yourself to smile. Allow your physical being to feel light. And as you breathe, in the final moments of our meditation, imagine a pure white light sparking from the tiniest place inside of you, at your center. See this white light start to grow. See it illuminating all of your internal organs. Everything from your digestive system, to your heart, to your lungs, to your bones and muscles, ligaments and tendons, fascia and skin, all starts to become light and illuminated with this bright white light. This light takes away any pain. This light starts to fill you with contentment, happiness, and joy. And it brings awareness to all parts of your body. Almost as if your entire body has become a cloud, floating in space. Let everything be light. Be light, be light, be light. Now sit with this light feeling for a few moments. Allow for it to completely embrace you. And feel yourself floating above the clouds. Your physical being completely dissolved of all pain, all suffering, and fully healed. Breathe. And now as we start to bring awareness back into our body, we start by taking 5 deep breaths in. And with each exhale, feel yourself solidifying back into your body. Bring a little bit more weight back in. So we're going to remain light, but we're also going to become grounded. And as we heal ourselves back into our body, we come back fully healed. With all of our tension being let go, with all awareness into our body, and with absolute focus. Take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Feeling more and more solidified in your being. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Two more to go. Feel a slight tingling in your body as your body starts to solidify itself and feel more weighted in the world. Big breath in. Big breath out. And one final breath. Big breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself become solid in your seated position. Feel the lines of your body. Feel the weight of your body. But feel this lightness that you have created from within. And as you take this on to your practice or throughout your day, keep this feeling of lightness but grounded at the same time. This middle path feeling of being able to feel high, but at the same time, feeling yourself into the low density of the world, and remaining with your awareness above all of it throughout your day and throughout your practice. Slowly bring your hands up to your chest. Give them a nice rub. Place them over your eyes. And gently, gently open up your eyes with a smile. Namaste. Hope you all enjoyed today's practice, and I'll see you in the next video.